what you're doing?
So,
What are you doing?
Bulldozer.
Are you watching the bulldozer?
There's a wheel.
Where are we?
Home Depot.
Oh, we're at Kmart.
Kmart.
Okay, let's show Mommy what you're watching. He's
Come on the
moving the snow.
Oh, the cloud. Bulldozer.
Oh, he's so big. He's moving the snow from there to over there.
It's that pizza. I see pizza.
What's the bulldozer doing?
Up on the snow.
Moving the snow? Is it big?
Yellow. It's yellow.
Oh, it's yellow.
And jumping like so.
Moving the white snow, yeah. It's pretty cool, huh?
Be my
The snow is a big mess, yeah.
making up.
The man's cleaning it up, yep. Is he moving it from one spot to another?
Yeah.
How is he doing that?
A big.
How is he moving the snow?
Outside the window.
Yep, he's outside the window. How's he moving it? Is he putting it in his bulldozer?
A duck tuck.
A dump? Yep, kind of. He's moving it around. Can you still see him?
See him.
He's kind of far away. Can you see him?
The back of phone.
Is he coming back?
Yeah.
Oh, here he comes. Can you see him?
Yeah. Coming around. A bulldozer.
Whoa, it's so loud, huh? Loud.
Picking up.
What noise is it making?
Making sounds.
What sound is it making?
Spinning around the wheels.
Is it saying beep, beep, beep
That sounds.
when it backs up?
And
What's-
then the wheels.
What sound does it make when it picks up the snow?
Outside the window.
Yeah, outside the window. What? You saw birds?
That's so
There
loud.
it goes. Here, let's show the other side. That's what he's looking at.
Boom. Boom.
Does it make a big sound?
Beep.
Yeah, when it backs up, it goes beep, beep, beep.
Yeah. Sound.
That sound, huh?
To spin the wheels. To spin the wheels on the wheels.
What are the
The
wheels?
wheels.
What are the wheels doing?
Spin the round, so. Ow.
Yeah, around and around on the snowplow. That's right. All right, do you want to say bye-bye to the video?
Papa, we are
Say, we're going to Mark's now.
going to mouth.
Bye-bye.